Okay, user administration, table administration, and application module. Did you understand the relation? All these things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is very important. Remaining all of them are different concepts. So mostly everything we are going to execute on particular table. Okay, whatever you're going to do, that is going to work on a particular table. Okay. Let's see. Today we'll work on one concept, that is update sets. Okay. Today we are going to work on the concept. The concept name is update sets. So what is update set? So generally, like in the real time, what happens? They are going to, like, for one company, generally there will be 3 instances. So like for all software related things, for all software application, it may be Salesforce, it may be ServiceNow, it may be Java, it may be any software work. Okay, so there will be 3 environments generally, that is dev environment, and testing environment, and production. So minimum, so this is a hierarchy they will maintain: development, testing, production. Okay, not only for software products, guys. Even generally, if you look at in the general world, like if you observe any car, how they will make, like initially they will do development, they will develop the car, then okay, guys, we'll see. Okay, guys, we'll see. So update set is nothing but it's a group of configuration generally. So whatever the work we are doing, so it is going to capture into some update set. Okay, so like the work we are going to move from one instance to another instance. Okay, so update set is a group of configuration. By using update set, we can move the configurations from one instance to another instance. Okay, so like you can see, generally for any software work, like you can see the 3 environments: development environment, testing environment, production environment. Okay, so dev environment is a place where developers are going to work. Okay, we are going to develop the particular configurations in the dev environment. Okay, but like how can we move from dev to test? How can we move the configuration? That is where update set will come. By using update set, we can move the configurations from dev to test and test to prod. Okay, in the testing is a place where testers will do the testing. Okay, they can verify whether the configuration is working fine or not. Even client also will test that configuration in the test environment. Okay, after that, if all looks fine, they will move the configuration to production. Production is a live environment where the business will run. Understand? Are you following, guys? So to move the update set, we have two ways we can move the update sets from one instance to another instance. That is export, import, and the next one is update sources. Okay, with these two ways, we can move the update sets from one instance to another instance. Is it clear, guys? So let's see how can we move the configuration. Like, okay, generally we have, like, if you get some whenever you joined into company and if you are assigned to some project, you will get three environments like this. So you will get three environments. Let me show you one thing. Let me stop the. You can see, like, let's assume some requirement and we can do some configuration in the first environment and we'll move the same configuration to second environment. Let's see how can we move it. Okay, so let's say we got some requirement to create one table and few fields. Okay, so if you whenever you start doing some requirement, you should create the update set first. So how to create the update set? Go to local update set, go to local update sets, and here you can see you have to create the update set new. Okay, let's say create the update set name. Okay, I'm just creating one update set, that is table configuration, and just click on submit and make current. If you click on submit and make current, that means it is a current update set now. You can see. Can you see that update set name? Table configurations. So in this update set, we are working now. That means whatever the configurations you're going to do in this instance now, all of them are going to capture into this instance. That means it's like a CC camera. This is a current CC camera. Okay. So whatever you're doing now, it is going to capture into here. What CC camera will do? Whatever the work is happening in that particular room, it's going to capture. Right? In the same way, update set also. If this is a current update set, whatever the configurations, I'm talking about only configuration, not data. Okay, let's try to create one table. Just go to tables. Still now we have done this only. And let's create one table and few fields will create. Let's create table as HR data. I'm just creating HR data table and submit it. So whenever table is created, automatical application will create, model will create, ACLs will create, a lot of things are going to create. And just go to HR data and click on new. And we'll create few fields also. Let's create some fields, configure form layout. Let's create name, phone. Okay. So I've created two fields, name and phone. Okay, I've created name, phone. Okay, two fields I have created. We have created one table and two fields. Okay, if you go to just check what whether all these things are captured or not. How can we see that? Just click here and open the update set. Okay, and here you can, like, we have selected this one. If you click this icon, it is going to show the update set. So table configuration V1. This is the update set we have created. It is in the in progress state. And if you come down, you can see the custom update set, customer updates, whatever the things captured. Application menu captured, module captured, table captured, dictionaries captured. Okay, field labels captured, access controls captured, roles captured, application form layout. All these things are captured because we have kept this as a current update set. Understand? Okay, are you following, guys? So I've created one update set that I made that update set as a current update set. After making current, I have done some work in the instance. That work is created a table and two fields. Okay, all the things related to that work are captured into this update set. Okay, let's say I want to see the same configurations in the next instance. So anybody having instance now? Do you have your instance? Wake up in the wake up mode. Anyone? Sadiq and Shrikant, do you have your instances available now?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah.
I
Can you
don't have, sir.
can you share your credentials? Just URL and admin password. If it is wake up, if it is in the wake up state.
Can I share it in chatting, sir?
Yeah, chat you can share.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, only mail. Share, can you share your password also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My keyboard is not working for some times. In some
Okay, no problem. Take time.
1 minute, we'll send you.
So now what I'm going to do, so we have created HR data table, right? So like how can we move that? I want to see like generally, if you want to see the same table in the next environment, you have to create manually. But this time we don't need to create manually. We have update set. Okay. Let's see how can we move the update set from one instance to another instance and how the configurations are going to affect in this instance. Yeah, we have this is Srikanth instance that is 95369. We have one my instance that is dev like 101122. This is my instance and this is Srikanth instance. Let's see. So if you want to move update set from this instance to the next instance, what you have to do, just make the state is complete. Okay, put the state into complete and save it. So whenever after saving, you can see here you can see one link will come. After saving, what will happen? So after saving the update set, here you can see the one link that is export to XML. The link is export to XML. If you click on this link, whenever you click on the export to XML link, so what happened? So like I've exported the XML. All the configurations are captured into the XML. That is, I have downloaded. Now I want to move this XML to the next environment. How can I move? I have to go to the next environment. That is, this is another instance, that is Srikanth one. And here what I'm going to do, so I have to type retrieve update set. Here I have to type retrieve update set. Just click on the retrieve update set. Okay, after clicking retrieve update set, here you can see import update set from XML. Okay, just click on import update set from XML. Click on choose file and you can see that downloaded one. So this is a downloaded XML from the first environment. I'm uploading here in the second environment. Just upload. Can you see the same update set here? Can you see the same update set here? Guys, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but this is in the loaded state. Okay, in the loaded state, we cannot observe the configurations. Okay, let's click on open that update set, which is retrieved from the first environment, and you have to click on preview. You have to click on the preview update set. Like it's going to complete 100%. After completion of the 100%, you can just close it and just click on commit update set. Just close it. Okay, so after the state into committed, now you can see that. Let's say what is the table we have created in the first environment? HR data. Can you see this? HR data. Click on HR data and you can see the two fields we have created: name, phone. Understand? Are you following, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a way we can move the configurations from one environment to another environment. Okay. So this is a very, very important thing for a developer, because we are the developers. We always have to eye on the update set. Every time, whatever you're doing, that should capture into update set, any configuration. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, you can see we have this is let's imagine this is a first requirement. So after that, client came up with some other requirements on the same table. Okay, like this, we are in the first environment now. In the first environment, we have HR data, and they want to make this field mandatory. Okay, they want to make this field mandatory. They want to create one more field. Okay, they want to make this field mandatory. They want to create one more field. How can I do that? Just click on configure dictionary. We will make it mandatory. But before that, you always have to eye on that update set. But what is the update set now? No, this is a default one. We should not capture it the default. So let's go to the update set again. Let's create one more update set. Table config, let's make it true. And submit, make it as current. Okay, and so that it will come here. Now just go to HR data. Just let's make it mandatory now. I'm making the name field mandatory. Complete it. Can you see this mandatory now? Yeah, but You cannot do manually in the next environment. You cannot do manually. Even everything you should capture into update set only. This is the update set. Okay, open it. Now you can see if you come down, what is captured? Dictionary. In the dictionary we have done mandatory, so it is captured for the name field. Even small thing also, small configuration also, you should not do manually in the next environments. Only in the dev you have to do manually. That should be captured. Now I'm going to keep it complete and save it. Again, I have to download the XML. I have to go to the next environment. This is the next environment. And I have to type retrieve update set. I have to upload that XML. Open that. And what do you have to do? Simply, you have to preview, close it, and you have to commit. Close it. Okay, after committing, it's done. Okay, so then you can see the table HR data. Click on new. Can you see this mandatory now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a way. Like whatever the configuration, you should move with the update set only. Understand? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts now? You should have some doubts. I'm waiting for that.
Too much of navigation, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. We'll see on Monday. There is one more way of moving update set. You can see today. From Monday, we'll see discuss different outs. Update sources. One more method is there. That is update sources. With the update source also, we can move the update sets. This is the first method, export import. Second method is update sources. Okay, only first method we have done. Second method we'll see on Monday. Okay, now just check it out, guys. Practice, do practice. This is very important. Update set concept. Okay, now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss now. Otherwise, we'll meet on Monday.
Sir, also while creating instance, no, sir,
Okay.
that it is asking for the country. So how do we deal with that, sir?
It is asking
Select the country. It is
country.
asking for select the country, Tokyo, all this it is asking.
Okay.
So what
Country.
is the error with that, sir? Not able to create an instance. So with one of the user, I am able to do it. With another one, when I try to create the new one, it is not happening.
Can you share? Like if you share, that will help for me to answer easily. If
In
you share this,
WhatsApp, yes, sir. In
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, I shared the picture, sir.
Okay, just a minute.